So we are now heading out to Ministry of Crab. As you all know, I was in Sri Lanka just a few weeks back and we visited the Ministry of Crab there. So they've opened up a location in Mumbai now. So that is something that I'm like super excited about, and we're gonna check it out and let's see what it's all about. So we're in the car now, we're heading out. There's gonna be lots of traffic. We're going from Goregaon to Bandra. So that will probably take over an hour. I'm really anxious. We've got reservations for 9 o'clock. It's a little past 8 now. So I just hope we make it on time. Remember how the power of attraction worked for me in Sri Lanka? I'm sure it'll work for me here too. For you too.
Yeah, for us. Well,
yeah.
I have many other restaurants in my
mind.
mind.
Because if it doesn't work, then he's in trouble. Yeah. So this behind me here is the Ministry of Crab. And in fact, they're calling me because we're late. Hi, I'm at your gate. Reading the Constitution. It's similar to the Constitution they have in Sri Lanka, that they will only serve the best crabs, no crab that's got a broken claw or anything like that, nothing frozen, everything will be served fresh. They've got quite a bit here. You must come here and read their Constitution, at least take a look at it. I must mention here that the ambience here is different compared to the Ministry of Crab at the Dutch hospital. This is a little more, I would say, grand, where the one in Sri Lanka, Colombo, is a little more casual.
Okay, so what are you gonna order?
Okay, so we placed our order, and just like in Colombo, they have crabs here the size of 500 grams up till 2 kilograms. So these are some massive crabs, and these crabs in particular are known as mud crabs, highest quality, and they're quite meaty. So you won't find any cheap little skinny little crab here.
How do you feel?
I feel awesome. So I just want to let you know that there are some renowned personalities behind this restaurant. 2 of them are cricketers, very popular and famous ones from Sri Lanka, named Mehla Jayawardene and Kumar Sangakkara. And the chef who's behind all this yummy, yummy, yummy food is Chef Darshan Munidasa. So this entire thing here, the Ministry of Crab, whether it's in Colombo or Manila or Shanghai or Mumbai, is the brainchild of Chef Darshan. So we have here the pepper crab, which is actually the best-selling dish that they have in Colombo, but not surprisingly, it's the best-selling one they have in Mumbai as well, the black pepper crab. This one here is a small-sized crab. If you take a look, I believe it's about 750 grams.
Yeah, try it.
Holy, this is amazing. Garlic bread here. We've got the crab on the butter. Wow. You know, normally what happens is when you bring a cuisine from one country to another, you end up imbibing those properties of the country that you're bringing the cuisine into, so that it's favorable to the people who are going to be eating it. But here, what they've done at the Ministry of Crab is that they've held on to those Sri Lankan flavors. They haven't Indianized anything. And I think that is what makes their food unique. You gotta use your fingers and your mouth. Here he goes.
Crab cutter.
This is a crab picker. Oh wow! Take a look at that beauty.
Thank you. Enjoy your meal.
Oh my god. A lot of hard work. Okay, so we have finished our supper here. So yeah, we're just gonna wait for the bill now and let's see how much the damage is. It's so nice and warm. There's apparently 3 types of teas blended into this concoction that you use to wash your hands. One tea removes the odor, one disinfects, and the third one adds fragrance to your hands. Isn't that something? Wow. All done and stuffed to the max. And there's no room for dessert. Time to pay. You can do that.
How much is it?
9,933.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
So we had a wonderful dinner at the Ministry of Craft. Awesome food, awesome service. But I would like to state here that it is a little bit on the pricier side. If you're going to be dining at Ministry of Crab, it's like luxury dining. So between the two of us, we paid a bill of about 10,000 rupees. So keep that in mind whenever you come here. So if it fits into your budget, then it's definitely the place for you to come.